Oh, you a dirty bitch. Oh. Ooh, what the fuck is that? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy WHOTUCKIS here, and it is Saturday. And like I said, if the weather's nice, and it is, because I'm sweating my fucking balls off right now. If the weather was nice, I was going to do a video, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So, what I'm doing today is I have a cabin air filter. It's a Mann filter. Mann? We're going to actually put it in. It's located inside the glove box area, center console area. So, we got to remove this and hope to God that we know what we're doing. Supposedly, the instruction says it's going to take 45 minutes, but...
Psych! That's the wrong number!
I doubt it. So, let's get to doing this. Well, let's take a look at this filter. If you guys are hearing birds in the background, I apologize for that. These birds just will not shut the fuck up. So you get your new filter, get your instructions. So then the first thing you should do is you should look at the front of your car. So, alright, check. Alright, so identify the glove box. We know where it's at. It's that way. Okay. Pull it down. Now we have a shock right here. We have a shock on ours. So we're gonna remove that pin. And you should drop the glove box down a little bit. So here's the clip. And I'm not sure how to really get this off. What I'm thinking is turn it up like that. Get your flathead screwdriver. Just push. Exactly. So that's how it comes off. Clips off, and it goes back on like this. So when you put it back on, you want this part of the clip facing that way. Okay. And then you should just be able to pop that off like this. Now there is a strap on the passenger side. It's obviously this side closer to the door, but you want to push up just a little bit, move it, and we'll drop. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 done. We got that strap off finally. So number 6 is saying that there are clips. And if it's like this, you're looking, you're thinking the clips are up here. The clips are actually at the bottom. So, clips, if I can zoom in on them, those are the clips right there. Those guys. There's 2, so there's one there, and there's one here. What you want to do is you just want to hold them towards you. Same with the one over here. Doing this one-handed. And then it should just come out, supposedly. Alright, glove box out. Alright, so we got 6 and 7 done. Now 8 is saying that we have to remove this panel right here. There's one screw right there. It's a Phillips head. I'm gonna remove that. And then you gotta remove for number 9. Remove this upper panel. And there's one Phillips head there. And it's saying that it should drop down after that, so. Once you remove those 2 screws, this tube will come out. Then you'll be able to actually get back there and access what you need to access. See that thing with all the wires on it? This guy? You're going to want to take that out. And there is a clip at the bottom. I can't get my camera back there. I'll try to get it back there, but there's a clip at the bottom. You want to push that, I believe, up or down, and then it should just come out. And just pulls out just like this. So try to get that shit up. Alright, so bear with me, I'm one-handed here. So you guys can see, there's a clip right here. You can pull it down. Mine's fortunately already loose, so mine will come out. This red is for my auxiliary fan, so don't worry about that. You won't have that unless you ran your fan the way I did. This will just pull out like so. Tuck it behind. We got 10, 11, 12. We're on to 13 now. So it's saying that there's one Torx 20-bit. All right, so that's the screw that we're looking for. And then there's a T20 right there. I think this is called the sword. So we're gonna pull that T20 bit out right there. We're gonna turn that to the left because lefty loosey, righty tighty. And we'll be able to pull this sword out. Got it all loose. We're actually gonna fucking pull it now. Oh, it just popped off. All right, let's see what that motherfucker looks like. I'm one-handed here, so give me a break, guys. So we already got a little debris on the edge of it. Looks like somebody's shit on it. So all right, we got that out. Try to put everything within, you know, an area where you're gonna remember where you put everything, because you don't want to put this back in and then you're like, oh shit. All right, so let's take a look, and just like I thought, there's a lot of shit in there, a shit ton. Nice. Oh, I like my bitch dirty, baby. Oh, you a dirty bitch. Oh. Ooh, what the fuck is that? Ooh. Nice. I mean, honestly, it's not too bad. It is fucking dirty as shit, though. So what you want to do is you want to be aware of when you take these out. It was in like that. So you want this clip facing towards the front of the motor. That's fucking vile, dude. Ooh. Real shit, yo, I wonder if this shit's black mold as I touch it. Yeah, but it's definitely fucking dirty. We got the new boy, which is right here. So we ain't gonna be breathing in all that dirty American air or wherever the fuck you're from. But yeah, so we're gonna put the new one in, but first we're gonna actually vacuum all this out, because yeah, give me a thumbs up, man. You know, I've gotten this far, so if you're still with me, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you think this is, and hit that subscribe button. So all right, we're gonna vacuum now. I just want to say too, it might be wise while you do have all this open. This port right here, on mine there's a little bit of white. I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to use an antibacterial spray. That doesn't have much in it. I'm just going to spray it while I'm there. Just wipe it out. Alright, so now everything is going to basically be in reverse order. And bear with me because it's going to be kind of hard to do this. You guys are set up on a tripod, but you are taking up my space. But anyway, so like I said, you want this tab right here. That tab, you want it facing towards the motor. right, and boom, there you go. Like I said, everything's in reverse order, so you'll hear that clip, which means that you did good. Once you're happy with the way you got your glove box aligned, then you're just gonna, let me turn the camera so you guys can see what's up. Just gonna get your strap, put it up here, right? Get it on there nice and good. Then get your clip, like I was saying. The clip will go this way, and then when you slide it on, you're gonna slide it towards you. So this, it doesn't pull down like this. Right here, it pulls down right there. My strut or shock or whatever you want to call it is obviously fucked up and blown. Sorry though. So you put it on, it's gonna be tight. So if you got big hands, you're gonna struggle a little bit. That was easy. So you gotta test your glove box. Closes, opens. There you go. Alright guys, so I got the cabin air filter in. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as hard as people make it out to be. It said it was about 45 minutes to do it. Took me about an hour to do it, and that was just because I was being careful, making sure that I had everything within reach and knew how it went in, knew how it went out. It's just all I can say is make sure you take your time when you do it. It's not daunting. It's really easy. Once you get in there, once you have it all pulled out, it's just straightforward. So I do recommend getting the Mann filter. It does come with instructions, which kind of helps. It makes you feel a little bit more, I guess, confident to do it. But anyway, yeah. So, like I said, I think you should do it. It's not that hard. 45 minutes to an hour, tops. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this helped you. And, see you in the next one. Peace. Definitely well deserved. This one, oh yes.